Industry in Pattaya is quite large with big marina and a lot of big boats, so it's definitely an interesting market for us. This boat is a really special boat. Ocean Emerald is a unique yacht. The old launch, when you look at it, looks alright, but it just was not up to the standard of the boat. It seems a bit more like somebody went to be shopping for furniture and put there around here. So you could see it was not made for this boat. It was not like specially bespoke furniture made for it. That's a 42-meter long boat. It got twin engine in there, huge Caterpillar engine. This was built by an Italian company, designed by an English architect. They're supposed to do 10 of these boats in 2008, but finally they've done only 4. Said, okay, this has to be really unique. It has to be inspired from the boat. So we used the shape of the boat as the guideline. We used the name of the boat a bit for the coloring and the finishes inside. This table is difficult piece. I had to do something definitely unique. We wanted to do something that looks organic. Need to be assembled on site, of course, because there's so many different pieces. You cannot assemble it and carry it on, it's too heavy. The other things which was a very good idea from the owner of the boat was to convert 2 cabins into a big suite. So we take off one wall and modify this cabin so it can be 2 separate cabins or 1 big suite. There was a lot of wasted space in the old design, so we really optimized the space, the volumes, make it look much more luxury, because the older cabin, they were wide and a bit too simple in the design, so again didn't feel in the same level as the boat itself. Don't have so many opportunities to do boats like this one. Big rush. Last days was a big rush to get everything put it together. Again, a lot of people working at the same time. They had all the technicians that have to do so much work in the technical work in the boat. I mean, I'm talking air condition, electricity, and so there was a lot of coordination in between all the different workers. So yeah, turned up really spectacular and very, very nice.